Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's the first attempt at doing a bit of a reveal of some new gear. So I bought myself a new Shoei helmet. I've currently got a Shoei NXR2, which I really enjoy. It's really good. Saw this one on display at AMX store in Nerang and thought, oh, I better have that because it looked really cool. Much to the chagrin of the Chief Minister of War and Finances, she was a bit unhappy about me buying another helmet. She didn't really think I needed one, but I had to have it, so I've got one. It's a Shoei X-SPR Pro. It's a Marquez7 edition. A pretty awesome helmet. Yeah, so take it out of the box, have a bit of a look, and yeah, see what you guys think of it. I'm guessing it's been out of the box before. I think when the guys put the pin lock in, they would have taken it out of the box. So I did try it on at the shop, and yeah, so it has been out of the box. So typical, really good Shoei packaging. Comes with spare parts, a bit of lube for the visor opening, and a chin curtain. Book of instructions. Stick it on your head, that's how it works, I suppose. Let's take it out of its packet and see how it looks. I do sort of know how it looks because I have seen it, and you guys have probably seen them before too, but it's pretty cool. Bit of a Marquez fan, so yeah, so this is the Marquez edition. That's the Marquez7. Yeah, pretty awesome looking helmet. It's in a large. These things aren't cheap. Got it on sale at the AMX store for $13.99, which is Australian, which is pretty good price. I think they're about $16.50 Australian normally. So yeah, awesome looking helmet. Yeah, so heaps of good venting. It's like when I tried it on at the shop, it's just the interior is so much sort of more compliant and softer than the NXR2, which is the RF1400 in the US. This is the X15 in the US. So US viewers, that's what you'll be looking at. This is the previous version of the Marquez. I think there's an 8 version, and there's a new version with all the livery coming out soon. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so the visor opens like the NXR2. It sort of opens with that center section, where the old SPR3 was over on the side here, a little more difficult to open. My wife's got an X-SPR3, and yeah, she's used to it now, but yeah, initially it took a little bit of work to work it out. Has a lock on here for when you're doing over 300k an hour, which is probably not going to happen. But yeah, and I don't really need a race helmet, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So, and you can't have too many helmets, I'm guessing. That's what I think anyway. So yeah, so that's the locking system for the visor. Visor opening's pretty good. A lot of increments, so you can have it open as you wish. Venting, so you've got 2 vents on the front as opposed to 1 on the NXR2. Opening system there, and another one below that. I think that directs more air into the cheek compartments. You've also got your brow vents up here, which direct air through to the back, and also another venting in the center. Comes out the spoiler in the back. Yeah, so awesome helmet. Again, Marquez edition, so yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, haven't worn it yet, other than at the shop just to try it on, but it's super comfortable. Also went through the Shoei fitting service, so they changed the crown padding to suit the size of the helmet and how it fits. That's an awesome service. If you're going to buy a Shoei helmet and the shop you go to offers that, definitely use it. It's well worth it. They do get their helmet fitting really well. Yeah, so a normal D system for latching, not the sort of clasp system. I think these are much better, much safer, easy to use once you get used to them. Yeah, I just think they're a better option. Going to run the spoiler on the front rather than the chin curtain for now, just to see the difference. yeah, been using a chin curtain on the XR2, so it'd be interesting to see how much difference that makes. A few other options. Yeah, so being a track helmet, it's got the tear off pins. Probably never use it. It's got a pin lock fitted. The pin locks on these are primarily for this helmet. They don't, where most of the other Shoeis can fit multiple helmets. This one, because of the tear off pins, has its own pin lock. Pin locks are a must as far as I'm concerned. I do struggle a bit wearing glasses. The fact I'm looking for a lens through a lens through a lens, but I find that the Shoei ones are pretty good. Also, my glasses fit in this with the helmet on, same as the XR2. There's no dramas there. It's set up to have speakers in for Cardo, which is going to get a Packtalk Edge. I use a Packtalk Edge on my NXR2, so I'm going to use a second helmet kit on this, so I can just use the same unit on both. Yeah, so that's going to be the next install on the helmet. Sort of itching to use it. It's been a bit rainy here in the sunny Gold Coast, so hopefully get a chance to use it over the next couple of days. Yeah, so it's an awesome helmet. Its weight is about 1,450 grams, or 319 pounds, whatever that is for non-Australian people. You can work out how many pounds are. But yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, pretty light. It's very similar to the XR2, but yeah, still quite a light helmet compared to a lot of other ones I looked at before purchasing this one. Yeah, so the guys in the AMX store, if anyone's ever in Australia and looking for good guys to deal with, the ones in Nerang are awesome. I'm not affiliated in them in any way. I don't get anything from them, but they're just really good to deal with, and yeah, definitely point them in the right direction to get it fitted properly and yeah, working out all that sort of stuff. Pretty much that's it. I'm going to probably do a bit of a review on it, probably give it a week or two just to wear it around and have a couple of rides in it to see what I think. From all the reviews I've read, they're pretty quiet. Like I said, my wife has a X-SPR 3 and she loves it. It's an awesome helmet. Again, she's not a track rider. Neither of us are going to be doing 300 plus K an hour, but we sort of like if you're going to buy a helmet, you're going to buy a good helmet, and it's going to last you, a good length of time and protect you type stuff, and look pretty awesome as well. But anyway, I will report back with a bit of a review after, say, a few weeks of riding, just to see how it goes, and let you know what I think. I think it's going to be awesome, even though it looks awesome, which makes it awesome, but yeah, I think it's going to be awesome. Nice, guys, thanks for that. Any feedback would be awesome. I've never done a piece to camera before, and so yeah, let me know if I can improve in any way, which I know I can. But yeah, thank you for watching.